Hello, pretty Purrsia. Hello. Do you want to come down? Are we going to come down for some pets or are we going to roll? Yeah, we do some of both. You come here. Alexa here at Kitty Charm School with Purrsia. So, good girl is doing well. She did get a manicure today because her nails were pretty sharp, so we wanted to take care of those. But now she will be going home with baby safe nails, huh? Yeah. Though you seem like the nicest kitty cat in the whole world. You probably like your food more than babies, but it's always a nice precaution, right? Right? You're gonna go home and there's gonna be a new person there. That's exciting. Very exciting. So yeah, Purrsia doing well and wishing you guys luck in your baby endeavors, right? Alright, Purrsia will see ya on the flip side. Kitty mail.